this works, Tinley.
You have to not stop it. Still you have to wait, and when it gets in his brain, and he would take the drink.
Okay. And what's that called?
Fix it.
Physics.
Physics. Got it.
Okay. And so we have to wait until the fluid gets in his brain?
Yeah.
Okay. And as he keeps tipping over, the fluid gets higher and higher?
Yeah.
Okay. And you made fun of me.
It's different.
Mommy had one of these when she was a little girl, and she thought it was fascinating too.
Come on, Birdie.
No, don't touch him. The more you touch him, the more he won't. Okay, so it keeps rising and rising and rising.
Come on, get it in his brain.
Come on, fluid, get in your brain. No, you're right. Maybe you do touch him. There you go. Okay, don't touch him anymore. He's good. He's good.